May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, in fact, it's a joint request, my lord. May I pray, my lord, item number 15 and 16?
15 and
16, Lordship. Connected matters, my lord. So we are praying for an adjournment today, Lordship. Some difficulty,
15 and 16.
Lordship.
Okay. You are appearing for the petitioner.
I am for the respondent, he is for the petitioner. It's a
Okay.
joint prayer, Lordship.
Okay. On the joint prayer of the parties. When do you want this matter
Any
to
day
be listed?
after 2 weeks, Lord.
On the joint prayer of the parties, let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. 15 and 16, interim order so passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Yes. Yes.
Item number 22.
22. Yes. Uh,
Preparing for respondent lordship, otherwise there is an interim order is operating in his favor. Can it be also 30th?
Next week.
30th of April.
on the prayer of Mr. H.I. Chaudhary, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, which is not objected by the counsel appearing for the respondent, let the matter be listed after a week. Interim order so passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
But I am for a date. Can it be on 30th of April?
First week of May, it will go to May. Let it be on 5th of May. 5th of May, let the matter be fixed on 5th of May.
Please, my lord. My lord, with the consent of the other side, my lord, I beg to mention item number 13 and 14, my lord. My lord,
13 and 14.
My lord, conducting counsel, Mr. B. Kogo is indisposed, my lord. The matter couldn't be prepared, my lord. The matter may be passed over for the
Okay,
day.
Mr. You have taken a consent of the other side, he is there. On the prayer of Mr. D. Borwa, the learned counsel appearing on behalf of Finance and Taxation Department, which is not objected by the counsel appearing for the petitioner, let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
Interim order, let me be.
Interim order so passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
May I please, your
Thank you,
lordship,
Mr.
item number 7, last occasion,
Item number
7,
17,
7,
7.
the 7.
Mhm.
On
Yes.
last occasion, lordship ordered the engaged counsel for IA for correction of the reply of affidavit in objection.
What happened?
Last occasion, lordship or pass an instruction to file an IA for correction of reply of affidavit.
So you haven't filed it.
No,
Why?
the petitioner is out of station. He is staying in Bangalore. That's
Okay, on the prayer of you are appearing for the petitioner.
petitioner.
On the prayer of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, let the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, with respect to item number 3 and 4, your lordship, yesterday we
Okay,
have
item number
submitted
3 and 4 on the prayer of the learned counsel appearing for
the
Yeah,
respondents, your
for
lordship,
the
DS Dekha, your lordship.
respondents with the consent, with the consent of the other side, let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
21st, my lord. I am for the petition on 21st.
21st of?
May.
May, your lordship.
Okay, let the matter be listed on 21st of May.
Much obliged, your lordship. There is an interim order, item number 22, my lord. There is an interim order that will continue.
You have stated so.
Yeah, please, I beg to mention for listing, my lord, admission matter.
Listing, you go to the senior bench. There is a senior bench there.
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, we have some difficulty today. Conducting.
It's
this
a
case.
old matter, Mr.
Yes, my lord.
It's a old matter. It has been going on for a long time.
My lord may pick any other date, my lord. Today some difficulties, my lord.
What difficulty?
My lord, two difficulties, my lord.
Hmm?
First thing is that, my lord, that it's a very old matter. We even do not have the brief, my lord.
You do not have the brief. That cannot be an excuse. I mean, at this stage, I mean, Mr. Dhar, please don't make this kind of submissions. You do not have the
My lord,
brief. I
we have
mean,
to-
the
we-
matter is in the list.
My
You
lord,
are
we have to-
aware of this.
My lord, we have to reconstruct the file, my lord. My lord,
Reconstruction of the file at this stage. This is not a kind of prayer you should make.
my lord will examine that on the, we never asked for date. We never sought any adjournment in this matter.
No, whatever. If you have sought for also, if you do not sought for also, the matter is pending from 2016. And at this stage in 2026, you are saying that you don't have the brief. And what kind of submission is this?
No, my lord, the thing is that, but there was,
No, see, please don't give this kind of excuses. I mean,
my lord, there are changes of lot of councils in between, my lord.
no, that keep on happening in when you are
My
there
lord,
in the
no,
government side. It keep on
What-
happening.
What happens during such time, my lord, sometimes some files, my lord, do not reach the council, man.
Mr. Chaudhary,
I have come like this one. Had they intimated earlier, I could have. In any case, but he has taken my,
Okay.
made a request.
okay,
May
do
I
it.
just, we have some urgency in the matter. Your lordship will record that and fix a date, man.
Okay.
Let it be on 12th of May, man.
12th of May. 12th of May, fine?
My
Dhar?
fine.
Okay. Mr. R. Dhar, the learned counsel, appearing for respondent number?
My
You are
lord,
appearing for all respondents?
All respondents.
For the respondents,
No,
submit.
there are some private respondents.
private respondent, I will appearing for PWD, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Arthur, the learned standing counsel appearing for the PWD submits that since the matter is old and the brief has to be reconstructed by them, and therefore prays for some accommodation of time. Mr. I. Chaudhary, the learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner, submits that there is some urgency in the matter, so matter should be fixed on a fixed date, full stop. In view of the aforesaid, let the matter be listed on 12th of May, 12th of May.
Diploma.
Yes,
Was only last day, last occasion, the government was directed to produce the record.
yes. Record is there, Mr.
Not the record, but lordship, we have received some instructions of where that will be. If you're, I'm placing it before your lordship.
The instructions will do,
I think so, lordship, that because
because I mean, there are issues.
এই তার নাম এই থাকা বলি পরশুরাম
But this will not solve the problem, I think,
lordship.
because I mean, whether it's by inheritance, whether there's
Yes,
nothing,
lordship,
nothing
there is no
there.
such record. Only I have also gone through the relevant portion, lordship. Only his name is recorded, but nowhere it is stated that by way of inheritance or by way of a purchase.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Whether the
The issue is regarding, I mean, whether it's a personally owned property, acquired property, or it's by a way of inheritance. That is the issue, right? That is one of the issues.
yeah, our case is this,
Hmm.
the petitioner's father, Purushu Varali, is the sole owner of the property. And he got his name mutated, recorded, and in this record of rights, his name was there. His name was there as the sole owner. But when they filed a petition for notification before the ADC, ADC called for the record of the original Sita book of 23. He found that the name of Parasuram Bharat was there. And accordingly, their petition was rejected, mutation was rejected. Then they preferred an appeal. In the meantime, they manufactured there are some interpolation and manufactured the draft Sita of 23. And they filed an additional affidavit in the Board of Revenue. And the Board of Revenue held, observed that it is an administrative error, therefore their appeal was allowed. It is a very serious thing, my lord, please.
But there now the instruction that has been produced before this court, it says that pre-settlement records are not there, but in the settlement order, his name is there. So let them bring it by way of an affidavit. Then only it can be, adjudicated. Otherwise, you bring it on record.
Lordship.
If we have fabricated this Damabandi on 1955, here, Mano, kindly see page for a while, page 53,
But as I have seen that.
and page 54. Page 54, lordship, the assignment copy. Chichar, Iman number, Iman Hukumbate, Utta Regulator, নন্দগড় স্থলত, বনমণি হরালি, গাঙ্গুরা, কালিউরামর স্থলত, কালিউরামর স্থলত পরে ধরনের নামদারি হয়।
That is the,
So
they
that
have
is why, just a minute, my
subsequently
lord.
inserted.
My lord, such type of allegations are made. But that is why the honorable court was pleased that if you want that this Jamabandi is false, bring the original records. Why they are afraid of bringing the records? Because
That Mr. Sharma will say.
Mother, affidavit, let them mother put the records, because this Jamabandi they are telling fabricated. That is a great allegation against me. Yes, my lord.
Then,
Just a
Lord-
minute. Why they are afraid of bringing the records? The deputy commissioner, my lord, had entered in the malevolent intention, with a malevolent intention. That was the board of revenue was pleased to set us the order of the ADC. Now the ADC is holding the records. He is not sending the record. Let them bring the records, my lord. Kindly see page 54, my lord. Right
But
side.
whatever record is there, you can produce
Lordship,
it.
lordship,
Huh?
lordship. That will be-
Whatever,
that will be
whatever
better.
record is,
That will be better. Lordship,
whatever
my lord.
record is available with you.
And my lord, the order may be kindly specific, because it is a conspiracy. I am possessing land from the days of my grandfather. That report is there of the circle officer, and the ADC has turned down the report of the circle officer. That is why the honorable board of revenue, after perusal of all the documents, found that I am the inheritor of Kanjuram Bharali. And that's why the appeal was allowed. Now, lordship, since they have brought the allegation, let this Jamabandi be called for also. Page 54, page 50, page 53. Jamabandi of 1955. There should be specific order now. If we have manufactured it, we should be sent to the jail. Page 53, my lord. Assamese copy I have given, English copy also I have given. Page 53, my lord, the Jamabandi signed long back in 1955. It was a certified copy.
আপনার affidavit in opposition.
Opinion opposition.
আমাক copy দিয়া
Issue we have given you. তোমার তার নাই ভরে আগুরিগুলো দিয়ে আমার হাতে কপি এর হাতে দিব তোমার। আমি তো কপি দিই।
Mr. Sharma, you see this page 53, 54.
That copy is not available with me, lord. But even then, lordship, I will bring that.
You don't have this, I
Most
mean,
probably the copy is served upon the petition.
the affidavit in opposition filed by them.
No.
Yes, we have served the copy. And again, if necessary, we will give you.
You give him a copy.
Yes, ma'am. We will give only my landed finish engaged newly.
No, no, file is old, lord.
তোমার আগর দুজন ছিল।
No, এটা ফাইলতে থাকিব। বলে দিয়ে নহয়।
বেশি কথা তোমার স্যার।
নহলে এটা মোক দিব মই ফটোকপি কৰাই লওঁ।
আমি করি না তোমার। এক কোটি দিন করি।
This is of 1923-28 or what?
My lord.
That copy that you have submitted,
Yes.
that is from 1923-28. Certified copy of Jamabandi, which year?
Certificate copy, we have got it.
No, you got it certified copy later on, but like this is recorded on when?
Because original certificate copy we have submitted before the Board of Revenue. They are only, that is their only.
No,
allegation.
this record pertains to which year it was created?
কোন বছরের record?
Record, yes. My lord,
Well, your lordship, kindly turn to page
1923,
16,
yes,
annexure 1,
yes.
Page 16.
1/6. This is,
Yes.
this is the Jamabandi of 5764.
5764.
Serial number 9, Porosuram Bharali Pitakan.
My lord, that page,
That is,
page 48 also may be
as
kindly
well
called,
as the.
page 48 may be kindly also called for. Page 48,
And my lord,
and your lordship will find,
is.
yes, page 48.
24.
But Mr. Sharma, this record should be there. I
Lord.
mean, why the record is not there?
They produced the, directed to produce the record,
My lord,
along with the
unless-
affidavit of.
my lord, unless a
Showing their
specific order
stamp.
is made, the DC will never send it. Because the ADC himself is involved in this case. page, kindly see page 48 and 49. 49 may be seen again. 49. Titar iman number salat bonamali bhayli gambura o kanura mor salat porhuram bhayli namdari hoy. Salat, let them produce a shell deed that Porsu Bhoreli has purchased the land. Where from he got the land, lordship?
But this is of 1955.
Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Sharma, you bring the entire record.
Lordship.
Otherwise, it will be difficult, I mean, to verify this. I think those, I mean, those records should be there. I mean, why, I don't know why you have, they have not sent it.
But the record, whichever is with them, Lordship.
No, they are only saying, the office does not have record of
Pre-settlement.
pre-settlement period. Why pre-settlement period is not there?
Because when the land documents are a permanent record,
Yes.
it cannot be destroyed or
You're right. Heard Mr. A.C. Sharma, the learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. B. Devi, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. H. Sharma, the learned additional senior government advocate, appearing for
Lordship, respondent number.
Mr. Sharma, you are appearing for respondent numbers
3 and 3, 4, 5.
3, 4, and 5. And Mr. R.C. Sekia, the learned senior counsel, assisted by so and so for respondent number 6. Respondent number 6. By an earlier order dated 10/3/2026, 10/3/2026. The coordinate bench of this court has directed the council, learned council appearing for respondent number 3, 4, and 5 to produce the records, produce the entire records pertaining to the issue involved in the instant case. Full stop. However, during the course of hearing today, the learned additional senior government advocate has submitted a communication but he could not produce the entire record as the same is supposedly not available with him. After taking into account the entire facts of the matter, this court is of the considered opinion that entire records of the case, entire original records of the case will be necessary for proper adjudication of the matter. Full stop. Therefore, it is directed. It is therefore the learned additional senior government advocate appearing for respondent number 3, 4, and 5 shall produce the entire records of the case. Records of the case pertaining to what?
That,
Any specific this thing has to be given?
Doc number 844 of Patta number 136.
For pertaining to?
Pertaining to Doc number 844 of
Hmm.
Patta number 136.
That will do.
My
Or
lord,
anything else will be required.
That is the,
Yes, my lord, that any addition to that, since they are telling that this is fabricated one, let it be called forward.
That will be there only because there is the same patta DAG number.
My lord,
Now,
because,
if the whole record comes
yes.
pertaining to the particular DAG number and
My lord,
patta
that-
number, that same will
That
come.
number was original DAG number was different. But this was subsequently DAG number was changed. Lordship, Patta number was 80. New Patta number may be mentioned. My lord. Patta number is 80.
Patta number 80 is a new.
The new,
new in the year 1923.
yes, let it,
23 ne?
55.
23.
No, it seems 23. It's from 23.
My lord, Patta number is 80. In Buddhi Dhamapandi, Patta number is 80. And the report of the Latmandan and the Sarko officer also is sent. Report is in my favor.
No, that I understand. But like now, the record has to come for the same DAG and patta number. I think
Pertaining to the
if it
present
is
writ petition, Lord.
Huh?
Pertaining to the
And-
present writ
And the
petition.
case will
That
come
be-
to an end only if the Dhamapandi,
57,
Buddhi Dhamapandi are
64.
called for, my lord.
One
Dhamapandi is in their custody. Dhamapandi.
one second. I mean,
5764, it is written. as-
Dhamapandi
no,
may be
if
called for.
the whole records of that particular DAG number, patta number comes, everything will come.
Including the Dhamapandi that I have annexed.
Okay, okay.
Because their allegation is that, only allegation, that is why the court directed them, government, that if you dispute the Dhamapandi,
How do I do? I mean, how do I put it? I mean, which Jamabandi? How?
my lord, that I have annexed at page 53
Jamabandi of?
Dhamapandi of this, Patta number 50 of village, yeah,
That is
Okay,
number
but,
23.
no, no,
Pertaining to present writ
no, no,
petition, that will be better. Lord.
no, this Dhamapandi that they have.
That's
disputed-
because I am not disputing. It is disputed by the petitioner. I am not disputing, Lord.
That is why this Dhamapandi is issued by you. The
No,
deputy
correct.
magistrate.
I mean, the records
Yes.
pertaining to issue involved in the present writ
Lordship.
petition. You write like that. Okay. Records. Then you put the DAG numbers, and in addition to that, you put the pertaining to the issue involved in this involved in the
lord.
instant writ petition. Let the matter be listed. When do you want, Mr.
Month of May, Lord. Not the first week, second,
Let the matter be listed on 19th of May.
Lordship.
19th of May. You keep this with you, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship.
I mean,
Lordship.
this one.
But this Dhamapandi is part and parcel.
Yeah, that will be there because
My lord, only allegation, their allegation is that this is fabricated. That is why it's necessary.
correct. So all when all records will come pertaining to this case,
including
Mr. Sharma will take care of that.
Lordship, Lordship,
Mr. Sharma will take,
Only one sentence.
no,
including Dhamapandi.
Mr. Sharma will take instructions regarding the whole case. So this is part of the case. It will come.
My lord,
But otherwise, there will be more confusion.
my lord, my lord.
Specifics.
Item 6.
Oblige, lordship. Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, the matter here is the respondent numbers 1 to 6 represented by my lord, respondent numbers 1 to 6 in this writ petition represented by respondent number 15. They being the plaintiffs instituted a suit against respondent numbers 7 to 14.
Hmm.
A title suit was instituted regarding a
All parties are represented. All the parties are there. Respondents.
I am,
1 to 6 is not represented. 1 to 6 are who? So 1 to 6 are not represented. 1 to 6 are not there.
But
They are the
they-
main parties.
they have already filed the affidavit.
I understand. I mean, I'm asking
Today,
whether
today,
he's,
yes, yes,
somebody
ma'am.
is there or
Ma'am,
not
I-
today.
They are not. They are not.
Because they are the main parties, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is appearing for them?
Thank you.
Mr. H.K. Das is also appearing for Gauhati High Court. He is there? You are appearing? Did you file any affidavit or something like that? Some time was taken earlier. No, he is an amicus. Eh?
Names are not represented.
So Mahmood is appearing for whom?
My lord, I am for respondent number 7, 8, 11 to 14. 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14.
So allegation is that like you and respondent was 1 to 6.
Yes,
Both, I mean, appeared before a national local alert and like you have settled the matter.
yes,
And they're challenging this.
yes.
1 to 6, who is appearing 1 to 6?
I have no idea. But whether this reputation would lie or not.
That has to be seen. That has to be seen. I mean, first of all, I mean, let on the
Yes.
other side. Some MK Sharma was appearing, what? No, MK Sharma is not appearing for it. Yes, about maintainability, you have anything to say? I mean, amicus has been used, appointed. Where is H. Das? The issue is, I mean, now this has been settled. Whether this is the right forum.
My lord. My lord, there is a judgment which we had placed on the last date,
Hmm.
judgment of Dilip Mehta. It says that whenever a challenge.
Where is the judgment?
On the last date we had provided. my lord.
No, it's not there in the record.
Ask for-
Which paragraph?
My lord, the relevant paragraph, my lord may kindly take paragraph number 13, my lord. 13, may I read it, my lord?
1 second, 1 second. Paragraph?
Paragraph 13, my lord.
It will require the presence of them other side.
My lord, I have seen the cause list, their names are not reflected. Maybe they.
Who are they now? I mean, we don't know.
My lord, that I have.
The other earlier orders also,
Yes, my lord.
it cannot be made out who is appearing. Mr. Mahmood is also out there, but like the other party, I don't know who is appearing. There is nothing on record. বৈশো সেকেন্ড ফেল ওকালত নাম আছে নেকি সেকেন্ড ফেল এইটোত নাথাকিব ন এটা থাকিব পাৰিব 1 মিনিট 15 1 to 6 cover আছে নেকি 1 to 6 so has anybody appeared earlier
Yes, yes, my lord, may kindly take order dated 1/11/25.
1/11/25
My lord. My lord, got the order, my lord. Paragraph number 3, my lord. Miss S. Siddiqa, learned counsel, has submitted that she has entered appearance on behalf of respondent number 15. Now, my lord, respondent number 15 is the power of attorney holder of respondent numbers 1 to 6. And my lord, in the advocate for respondent column, it says respondent number 15 is M.M. Bhuya, Miss J. Sharma, and Mr. A. Iqbal.
So 15 are there.
then what about other people others no now you are appearing for whom
15. पहले बताया था मैं अभी तो 15 है so instruction to appear on behalf of market
15 is who 15 is
power of respondent number 1.
power of attorney holder so you can take instructions why not you have the power of attorney no, correct now you weren't notices are already being served but his appearance will not do his appearance will not do he's only a power of attorney holder
My lord, the Lok Adalat award was executed by him. For respondent number 15. 1 to 6 did not appear. If that is the case, then the award goes. If all the parties are not present on that sole ground.
no that will not go just like that
My lord, I am agreed by the suit. The suit was instituted by the power of attorney only. And the award was also done by them. They had signed it.
you take instructions from them you communicate to them because our notices have been served if they do not appear and like, it may go against them next date will take up the matter right mr you are mr
Mr. A. Khan on behalf of Mr. F. Khan.
mr you have signed a wakalat
Yes,
number
sir.
here
Yes, madam.
Mr. A. Khan, the learned counsel for the petitioners, also heard Mr. M.U. Mahmood, the learned counsel appearing for respondent numbers
3, 7, 8, 11 to 14.
14. And Mr.
A Iqbal.
A. Iqbal for respondent number 15. Anybody else? No. May Yes, yes. Yes, yes. You have anything to say on this? Because these parties are not there, not being represented. Only the power of attorney holder is there. But power of attorney holder is saying that he is engaged, that he was power of attorney only for the purpose of filing the suit. So he doesn't have any instructions to appear for the other parties. So in this case, other parties will be required because they will be aggrieved by whatever order is passed by this court. So we'll post it on some other date. So let him take some instructions, whatever. Mr. H.K. Das, the learned MAKers KV, is also present. Full stop. Mr. Iqbal, the learned counsel, appearing for respondent number 5, has submitted that he will take instructions from respondent numbers 1 to 6. 1 to 6. 1 to 6. Let the matter be fixed on 7th of May. By the time you
My lord,
take the instructions.
my interim order may kindly be continued.
Interim order so passed earlier shall continue.
Obliged.
So maintainability, Mr. H.K. Das, supervisory, whatever.
Whether it is maintainable against low Adalat
Hmm.
order. And my lord, on the last occasion,
Hmm.
or previous to that occasion, my lord, I placed one judgment of the Honorable Apex Court.
Hmm.
Which, exactly this solution is, that is 2025 SCC Online SC
2025
SCC Online SC 2737.
2737.
Yes, Dilip Mehta versus Rakesh Gupta. And this has been decided by Honorable Justice Vikram Nath and Sandeep Mehta.
Okay. What about, you have the paragraphs?
My lord, the judgment that I have placed. my
The
lord.
same.
That-
Okay, same one. Okay.
So this perhaps my understanding my lord, clarifies the maintainability issue because Honorable Apex Court says that there is no other forum. except the
So supervisory jurisdiction may be there. Okay, we'll take it up on the next day.
My-
Okay.
Obliged.
It will record to it.
May it please your lordship,
Hmm.
the government was directed to take instruction. उनको ऐसा proceeding करना।
Just who is appearing for the bank?
Yes.
What do we have to say?
Lordship, we have already filed our affidavit.
No, affidavit, I understand. I mean, what about your liabilities? I mean, why a wrong number is pasted inside SBI ATM booth? Are you not supposed to look into all these matters?
Lordship, the card was the
Now,
ATM
what
card-
investigation you have done? What inquiry or investigation you have done? A person, a retired person, his pension account is with you. Then he went there to withdraw money. His ATM card got trapped. Then there was a number inside the booth. The number was helpline number. That is your helpline number, supposedly. He called the number. Somebody intimated him that they'll be coming at around 3 o'clock. Nobody turned up. He went to the bank straight. He gave a complaint. Then you come up with something saying that like these amounts were in fact withdrawn from some different booth from IndusInd Bank. Then you simply filed an affidavit saying that there is no liability on your part. This has been taken by somebody. In fact, this pensioner has withdrawn this money from a different booth, and he has bought some liquor also. That is the affidavit you have filed. Have you done any inquiry on this? And how can you allege that a pensioner who has submitted a complaint before you without doing any inquiry, submit an affidavit and say that like, with that money, in fact, he has bought liquor. He withdrew the money. He had around 50,000 rupees in his bank account. He withdrew whole of the amount, and like, he went on merrymaking somewhere with the buying liquor and all. That is the sum and substance of your affidavit.
Lordship, the booth, the ATM booth is not of the SBI.
See, somebody has defrauded him. Somebody has defrauded him. His ATM card was misutilized, and money has been taken out from different booth. Maybe are you not liable? I was saying that like no, and without any inquiry, how can you say that like he has gone there? He has gone to a different booth of different bank and took out the money. Have you seen the CCTV footages? Any inquiries there from your side?
Lordship, how can
What and why you have filed this affidavit? On what basis you have filed this affidavit? On what basis you have filed this affidavit? Whatever should I read it out? I have read it already. I've seen whatever you have written there. On what basis you have stated that this old person, senior person, has gone to a different boat, and he has not visited that SBI booth of yours. In fact, he has gone to a different booth of different bank, and he has taken out the money there. Then he went to a liquor shop to buy liquor. This kind of things, without any inquiry, without any fact finding, how can you file an affidavit like that?
Lordship, the bank.
You call your manager who has filed this affidavit. On what basis, this affidavit has been filed?
Lordship will do so.
You are a standing counsel, SBI.
No, Lordship.
Then why are you appearing? Who is the standing counsel?
Lordship, he is indisposed. Lordship, he is indisposed. Mr. J. Borua.
Every time they make this submission. This is not the first.
Then if you are not a standing counsel, why are you making submission? Why are you appearing? Will you take the responsibility for the bank? Have you been given power by the bank to take the responsibility and argue before the court? Then why are you appearing? Then you should have said before taking up the case that your senior is not there. Mr. Singha will put up this case on a different date, and on that date, Mr. Borua has to be there. Who is the standing counsel?
Lordship, Mr. J. Borua.
Mr. J. Borua, you tell your senior that he has to be there on the next date, and next date, then we'll see what is to be done. And this is not the way. You tell your senior, this is not the way to file an affidavit without doing any kind of inquiry, without doing anything on what basis you have filed this affidavit? This court is really surprised. How can you, allege certain things without doing any inquiry, nothing? There is no mention of any CCTV camera. The CCTV camera, it is found that he was not there. In fact, we have inspected the CCTV camera installed in the booth. He did not visit the ATM booth on that particular date. He visited other booth. What are the materials? On what basis you have filed this? Only, you have seen that some money has been, from that account, from a different booth, the money has been withdrawn. That can be done by anybody.
And it was my specific plea in the FIR as well as the complaint that my ATM got stuck inside. And definitely they could have get that ATM. But in spite of that request, they have nothing. And in spite of
And how can a different number be pasted? Helpline number is pasted inside the booth. The police report says that helpline number is in fact a fraudulent number. Because of that call only, his money has been taken away. So once you put up your ATM, you have your responsibility to see what is there, what is not there in the ATM, what is happening there in the ATM.
But it was not an SBI ATM, Lord.
Again, you are submitting. You keep your mouth shut. You are not the standing counsel. I am just telling you. You keep your mouth shut. You intimate whatever the court is, observing to your senior. Mr. R. Singha, the learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner. You all are appearing for somebody? Mr. P. Hazarika for? Respondent number 10, you?
I am appearing for respondent 8 and 9.
6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Mr. Swain, 6 and 9. And your name?
N. Chaudhary, MS N. Chaudhary.
MS N. Chaudhary, the learned counsel, appeared on behalf of Mr. J. Borua, the learned standing counsel for State Bank of India. State Bank of India. Full stop. Your name? G. Bokolial, the learned counsel. Your government counsel, junior government advocate, submits a report dated 3/4/2026 of the inspector, this officer in charge, Lotus Hill Police Station, which has been kept on record by marking X. The matter was not taken up today due to the absence of the standing counsel of State Bank of India. Let the matter be listed on 9th of May. Let the matter be listed on 9th of May. On that date, Mr. J. Borua will be personally present in the court and apprise the court about the affidavit that has been apprise the court about the bank stand in the instant matter. Let the matter fixed on 8th. Let the matter be. You tell your senior to be present on on 8th without any fail. Without any fail. We want to know how this affidavit has been filed. You tell your senior, where is he?
Lordship, he is in Jorhat.
Tell him to come and appear before this court on 8th.
Kept it for further hearing?
No, I mean, 8th it will come. We have not heard the matter, we are just.
Wait, please, your lordship. So as per the last order, I was supposed to file my reply as against the affidavit of respondent number 3. I was supposed to file yesterday. My lord, I have got the signatures. I'll file it during the course of the day.
I'm appearing for 1, 2,
You are
3,
appearing co-person department.
Co-person, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay, take down their names and all. I heard Mr. D.K. Bhattacharya, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Mr. Biswas?
The intervening application,
Okay. Mr. Biswas, so and so. Mr. A. Biswas, the learned counsel, appears for the applicant in IA number 3441 of 2025.
No, man, 3813.
3813.
Huh? 3813, okay, 3813 stroke 2025 in WPC number 5766 stroke 2025. And Mr.
Yes,
Give all,
yes.
give all your names and which case you are appearing? Because 2 cases are there, right? 2 or 3 cases?
9, your lordship.
Huh.
Number 19 and 20. Finally, we are allowed to file my wakalat number during the course.
In item number 9.
Number 9.
Okay, in item number 9, you write. Your name? V. Raskwa appears in item number 9. Item number 9 is the WPC number
5766.
5766. Okay, there's only one WPC. So submits that Raskwa submits that he has instructions to appear in the matter for respondent numbers 19 and 20, and he would be filing the wakalat number during the course of the day. He further submits that he would like to file an affidavit in opposition in the instant case and prays for 2 weeks' time.
That may not be required, because already my learned friend has already filed earlier in March.
Pleadings are complete with respect to lordship.
You are appearing for whom?
Lordship, I am appearing for 8, 9, 10, 11, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 8 people, out of that 2 have engaged in lordship.
I'll assist.
You have already filed the affidavit.
Lordship, lordship.
I'll be there.
Okay, don't write this, strike out that. Affidavit, then you write Mr. D.K. Bhattacharya, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner, submits that he has already filed an affidavit in reply in the instant case, but however, the same is not on record. Just let the matter be listed when?
Next week.
Sometime in the month of May.
Lordship.
12th of May. Let the matter be fixed on 12th of May. Biswas is fine, 12th of May. Mr. Biswas, 12th of May is fine. 12th of May.
Obliged.
Item 10.
May please, your lordship, kindly grant the future.
Earlier also you have taken time.
No, lordship, after filing the affidavit this first time, they want to file a rejoinder.
Yeah, understand. Okay. Affidavit is filed.
File.
Affidavit is filed when?
27/3.
27 May, there was an order passed by this court. No such affidavit. Okay, anyways, I mean, heard Bisa. So and so the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B Chakraborty done at CGC. CGC, eh? CGC for respondent number 1. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that he would like to file a rejoinder to the affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by Union of India. Full stop. He prays for 2 weeks time. Prayer is allowed. Let the material is there after 2 weeks. Case diary has come.
My lord. Yes, there has come, but one thing is that last occasion up to date CD was called for,
Hmm.
but that up to date CD is not received. We have received the CD on 31st of March. That CD is available. They have not taken back. Otherwise, it was rejected earlier. He is the owner of the vehicle, and in the vehicle making some secret chamber, Arakan nuts were transported,
There were some photographs or something of
Photographs.
in the case diary. Show me
Yes,
the
sir.
case diary.
Photographs is there. Secret chamber means in the backside of the truck, some other goods were there, perhaps making some wooden partition. They are carrying this Arakan nuts.
4,385.
Hmm?
1,385.
129 bags.
The separate chamber. 129 bags.
But he's the owner. I mean, he has rented it out. There is a rent agreement.
Agreement
That
is there.
that is there,
Agreement is there.
Is there any statement against him?
Against him, directly, it is not there, but he is the owner of the vehicle and secret chamber is there. Because of that, and driver and handyman were arrested earlier.
The driver and handyman are owned by whom? Is it by the owner? No, it has been given to somebody else.
On Sanidul Akhtar, no? FIR of November and they have annexed that rent agreement of October.
Hmm?
FIR of November and that rent agreement they have annexed of October.
1 month.
1 month earlier, it was given on that.
Prior.
Owner is Sanidul.
Sanidul.
Owner is Sanidul Akhtar, right?
Sanidul Lordship.
The owner, no, not owner.
No,
I mean,
no, that
Sanidul Akhtar is
that
the
it has
Rent
been given rent to
Yes,
Sanidul.
Mukhtar Hussain is the owner.
Mukhtar is the owner.
So,
Yeah, it's all right. This is not a secret chamber. It's like this was a partition.
Has been made, Bharat.
Partition, it was there from earlier also. Maybe for certain purposes they have done it. Let him go. Open is there. I'll pass the order.
obliged.
I'll
I'm
keep the
sorry for
CD.
getting late.
My lord.
Mister, CD to রাখি দেবো আমি আজই অর্ডার অলপ পিছাত পাস করে দেবো।
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. As per earlier order, the government has constituted medical board and I appear before the medical board and assess.
Any report has come? Borman,
It's contempt matter, my lord, I am sorry.
you were there. Any report has come? You were supposed to submit a report, constitution of a board,
The health
medical
department-
board.
The health department was supposed.
You are not appearing for health department.
No, I'm supposed to
Now,
just-
who is appearing for respondent?
B.
B. Gogoi. Tell B. Gogoi to come. What has happened? We'll pass it over for time being. Time being, pass it over. But this matter, nobody has met with him because I'm passing it off for a time being. I mean, you just find out if he's not there, then we'll post it to some other date. Because he has to tell the court, I mean, whether the board has been constituted or not, and whether he has been examined by the board or not.
But-
Because the direction was given to health director, he is not.
Lordship, board was constituted
Ah.
and he was assessed by the board medical practitioners.
He has been examined.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then what happened?
Then only waiting for issuing
The
the certificate.
certificate. Okay, let the council come, then we can probably close it. Then Burman, you tell Mr. Gogoi's junior, if there is something, other thing we can. But last time they have appeared, Mr. Gogoi appeared. You ask him, otherwise, I think this is already complied with. We can close it probably. You can ask. Yes, you just find out if somebody will passing it over. Affidavit was supposed to be filed by this.
Lordship, that some progress is reflecting the Paravai's comments, but case is yet to be registered, my lord, due to some technical verification from the concerned authorities, my lord. They have detected two numbers, my lord. Accordingly, the reports are, forensic reports and other reports are called for, my lord. And this instruction is of in the month of February, my lord. Probably in the meantime, some progress has been made out, my lord. So I may be allowed to have that update, file affidavit with that updated status, my lord. By that time, maybe some case has been registered also.
7 and 8 who? Why instructions are waiting for such a long time? A petitioner, nobody is appearing on. Okay, you keep it with you, MS Bowman. Nobody is appearing, so like we'll post it for some other day. None appeared for the petitioner when the matter was called for. Though you take those, put their names, MS Bowman form, 2, 4 and 5, you,
411, Lordship, PNB.
C is for 17 and you, 7 and 8. You take their names, though they are present, okay? Take their names, give in the slips. Let the matter be, let the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
What's your best?
Madam 17 to 19, hearing.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My lord, in item number 18, my senior is next in court number 2. Kindly let his. Like in utter court. Kindly let this matter be after some.
And what about 17? 17, anybody is appearing? 17? Item number 17, you write none appeared for the petitioner when the matter was called for. And item number 18, you write Mr. So-and-so appeared on behalf of Mr. M.U. Mahmood, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, submits that submits that submits that matters should be listed on a different date as his senior is occupied in a different court, full stop. MSG Hazarika appears for respondent number 1, Mr. Sharma appears, Mr. H. Sharma, the learned additional senior government advocate appears for respondent number 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. You are appearing?
In 19 Lordship, we filed the respondent number 1 is expired. We filed a substitution petition, Lordship. That may be,
Item number 19. 19 to 19. All are tagged over.
actually, Lordship, this can be separated, all are under different case, different.
But it's all are together. Let it be.
Only the issues is that's why it has been clubbed. Anyway, Lordship may fix another date. Lordship.
Okay. The IA we can dispose it of. You'll have to file in this thing.
Amended cost. Table.
In the IA you write IA number 921 of 2026 in WPC number 7153. Their instant IA has been filed to substitute
Respondent number 2.
respondent number 2 by one, you write Musammad Hafsa Begum Chaudhary and
Faizur
Muhammad Faizur Rahman Chaudhary, comma, wife and son of respondent number 2 respectively. Full stop. Mr. Chakraborty, Mr. B. Chakraborty, learned counsel, appearing for the applicant submits that since respondent number 2 has expired, this instant IA has been filed to substitute the aforesaid respondents in the instant writ petition. Full stop. This prayer is allowed. The IA is the instant IA is disposed of with a direction to file an amended cost title in the instant writ petition, bringing on record the names of the aforesaid to legal heirs of respondent number 2, earlier respondent number 2.
Within 1 week.
Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks. The amended cost title to be filed within a period of within a week. From today. None appeared for the petitioner when the matter was called for. Though Mr.
R-
R Gogoi is present for respondent number
Excise Department, Lordship.
for the excise department. Full stop. Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Like.
31.
This is your lordship.
Hmm.
The lordship peruses the last order. The original records were called for.
We have the original records?
Lordship, Lordship, we were supposed to bring our records, but one document is still not available. Records are here, but one document is still not available, so your Lordship may kindly fix it.
One document means what or one document is not
Lordship,
available?
I'm not very sure which document, Lordship, but the other records are here, but we are just waiting for one document, your Lordship. So your Lordship may kindly fix it for next Tuesday.
The records were initially called on 16/9/2025. Since then, they have not produced the records.
But we will
Every day
produce it
they have
next
come
week,
and
Lordship.
say something and take time.
Next Tuesday, we'll produce it, Lordship.
Can it be on
Since
Thursday,
we're waiting
lordship?
for just one document.
Okay, heard Mr.
MP Chaudhary.
M.K. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard
V. Shoye on behalf of Mr. J. Chutia.
Learned Counsel, Learned Standing Counsel for KAC.
Okay, so Mr. J. Chutia, yes.
And you're appearing?
And for respondent number 6, my lord, NHIDCL.
So and so,
Architect
NSIDCL,
Talukdar,
Architect
Standing
Talukdar, Standing Counsel, NSIDCL. Mr. Das is appearing, and Das,
Five and eight.
Mr. N Das for 5 and 8, G Hazarika for 1. The Learned Counsel appearing for KAC submits that though the records in the instant case has arrived, some important documents are still awaited and therefore prays for some time. Let the matter be fixed on 5th of May.
5th of May.
Hmm.
Lordship,
5th or 6th of May, wait,
on a Tuesday or a Thursday will be lordship.
Tuesday is,
7th of May.
Yes, lordship.
Lordship, may kindly fix it for Tuesdays. Thursdays, my senior has some difficulty, so.
Then 5th of May.
5th.
5th of May is a Tuesday.
Yes,
5th of May.
Lordship, one small prayer, lordship. Further adjournments may not be granted, lordship, because
Okay,
already
okay, this is but because you are taking so much of time,
Lordship,
I mean,
We'll,
the last opportunity has been given to the council appearing for the KESC to produce the relevant records in the instant case.
oblige, Lordship.
Well,
12. The same matter, huh? What happened here? I mean, he got some report.
Lordship, here, Mr. Lordship, I'll need some time, Lordship, may take it up in 5 minutes, Lordship, I'll just take the update, Lordship, regarding the.
Yes, he says that, I mean, the board has been already,
Yes,
I mean,
Lordship,
committee
here,
has been.
Mr.
done.
Bigo, I'll just take the.
Because we don't have any other matter. We have finished off, actually.
Lordship, Lordship may fix it tomorrow, Lordship, if Lordship.
Okay, right, heard MS,
Add up the.
R. Datta, the London Council appearing for the petitioner, and also
Yes, yeah,
also heard
Health
Mr.
Department.
H. Oliha for,
For the health department, Lordship.
that is a contempt matter.
Yes, Lordship, here, for 2 and 3, Lordship.
For 2 and 3.
For one.
Okay, MS so and so for 1. Mr. Chaliha, 6, 6, some accommodation of time. Let the matter time, full stop. Let the matter be listed on. Today is this thing, Thursday.
Lordship,
Okay, we'll put it on Thursday,
any date, Lordship.
next Thursday. Let the matter be listed on 23rd, yes.
Lordship.
20.